Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to hide your phone number in Imo in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Imo on your device. Tap on your profile at the top left. Tap on Security and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Read Receipts. Here there are a few options, whether you want everybody to view your number, or only your contacts or selected few people, or nobody. I'm selecting nobody, which means no one can view my phone number. And that is how to hide phone number in Imo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.